We're going to learn freeze plug removal. So you're going to take the tip of your punch right here on the bottom. You're going to get it on the lip.
Oh, you mean like that?
See the lip? Yeah, and just tap it, tap it, tap it. And it should start turning. Okay, that's wild. It's not moving. Usually they move. They usually move at this point. There we go. There you go. And there's Yahtzee. Because there's water back there still, mainly because the drain won't drain. But that's good. Okay, so we've got that going. Next, we'll let that drain. Ready? Got them all busted. Work them out. Ugh. My God, look at all that shit. Okay, let's get the rest of them. That one's funny because it has holes in it. That was the one that had the stalactites coming out of it. That's incredible that that still had water behind it somehow. Ugh. Okay, set it up there and let's get the light.
Oh, you.
Oh my God. Hey Ken. So the phone rang. Anyway, yeah, Ken. Where were we? Look at the scuds in here. This needs a serious hot tanking and maybe more. Look at all that. Oh my God. Good Lord. Xander, how much crap is in there? Oh gee, no wonder why it didn't drain. What in the... This is bad.
I don't want to keep dumping that on the floor.
Yeah, because you have to clean that up.
Yeah, I know.
Right.
One too.
So let's flip it to the other side and take that apart. But look at these plugs. Damn. How did that hold? Because that actually had water behind it. Alright, Mr. Xander's gonna get these freeze plugs out next. Getting there. Got a lot of shit going on.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's talk about this thing needs to come completely apart. Oh, that's nice and easy. Oh my God, I can already see the schmutz. The schmutz! The schmutz, Xander! Good God.
Does not want to stay.
That's two. There you go. Get them with the channies. Bring the light too, because I'm sure this is going to be just as gross as the other side. Fun. So much fun. Alright. There you go. That's not terrible. That one's at least still intact. That one's goopy but intact. Well, I'm glad we're getting a new radiator because the whole cooling system is probably this bad. Oh my God, the barnacles! Look at the barnacles! Let's see if I can get this shot. There we go. You want to talk about barnacles? That's barnacles. Ugh, disgusting. This is bad. Alright, that's yucky. Alright, oil pan time. Oh, that's not too bad. That's not too scary, yeah? Smells a little funny. But it's not terrible in there. Lovely cork gaskets.
Yeah.
Oil pump. Yay. That's got some oil coating. Wow, that's a foam Oko. This has probably just been resealed. It's never been rebuilt. So, well, we know that it definitely needs rebuilt now, because that is no es bueno, senor. But because it's not been touched, that's promising. I mean, even though it's really, really oil coated, so it's been hot for a while. All right, well, call that good, I guess. So, Ken, I'm going out of town in the morning, so I come back next Tuesday night. Maybe next Wednesday, you and I can have a little phone conversation. We'll discuss this further, because this definitely needs to get refreshed. This is a little past where we'd be like, yeah, just clean it up and go.